Morning. Morning, how are you? Good, the usual place. Thank you. Morning and welcome to day 5. I really wanted to go here yesterday as well, but जिन लोगों को पता है कैंडीज मंडे को बंद होता है तो and now I'm waiting because their sandwiches haven't come yet. I'm too early. So being the impatient person that I am, I asked the candies guy to call and ask how long it would take for the sandwiches. He said it would take about half an hour. Like yaar utte mein to I'll go to the source and get it straight fresh. So, sauce.
Yeah. See the potential, instant, influential, maybe controversial, maybe in another life it's mental, maybe in this one sentimental, no, not accidental, whoa, but you come back tenfold, go, like dripping in gold, be dripping in gold, be dripping in gold, be dripping in gold, be dripping in gold, oh. God, what standards, that's the best thing, hold your standards, that's the best thing. What standards, that's the best thing. Hold your standards, that's the best thing.
Here I have my wild berry iced tea, their signature. इसको हटा देते हैं. The legendary chicken sandwich, macaroni chicken salad, and ये सबसे पापी चीज़ है. मैं खाऊंगा नहीं because I've been going to the gym. School में literally the best thing that we would want is school के बाद आके ये sandwich खा के ये chips खाओ. Best thing. Candies is like ऐसा 30 साल पुराना रिश्ता है.
Hello, Williams here. Hello, Mr. Williams. I call you to tell one important thing. Important thing? Yes. Tell it now.
As you saw, गाड़ी का बहुत बुरा हाल हो गया है. Fortunately, Mohit is okay. So essentially what happened was, you know those lifts हमारे गिल्ड हाउस में वो वाली लिफ्ट है जहाँ गाड़ी पार्क करके बटन दबा के ऊपर नीचे होता है. So Mohit, as usual, every day he comes to the guild house. गाड़ी उसने पार्क की, ड्राइविंग सीट से उतरा, he went behind, he got his bag out, and suddenly the lift started moving down. Fortunately, he jumped out of the way and उसको कुछ नहीं हुआ. So what happened was the watchman was too busy on his phone and उसने देखा ही नहीं कि मोहित वहाँ से निकला नहीं है. वो फ़ोन पे बिजी था, उसने बटन ऐसे दबा दिया and it started going down while the door was still open. मोहित अभी भी सामान गाड़ी से निकाल रहा था and पूरा डोर गाड़ी के साथ ऐसे उखड़ गया. तो अभी हमारी गाड़ी में 2 डोर मिसिंग है, आगे का और पीछे का डोर पूरा उखड़ गया. बाकी का पूरा दिन अभी जाएगा टू गिव द कार फॉर रिपेयर, गेट द इंश्योरेंस क्लेम, गेट CCTV फुटेज. फॉर्चुनेटली मोहित इज़ ओके, दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. गाड़ी तो फिर भी इंश्योरेंस क्लेम कर सकते हैं. इट कुड हैव बीन रियली बैड, समवन कुड हैव गॉट रियली हर्ट. इसीलिए हैवी मशीन ऑपरेट करते हुए फ़ोन पे नहीं होना चाहिए. दिस इज़ द एग्जैक्ट रीज़न. पूरा ही दरवाजा बदली करना पड़ेगा.
दोनों का सेटिंग उतर गया.
ये भी
वो उसका
अच्छा उसमें अटक के. अरे बाप रे,
टेढ़ी हुई थी ना, वो बच गया.
हाँ
ना तो चिंदा मिंदा हो जाता था इसके साथ, रुक गया ना तो.
ओके, डीलिंग विद इंश्योरेंस, गेटिंग CCTV, सारी बिल्डिंग का सारा काम अभी सॉर्ट हो गया. गाड़ी चले गई है. होपफुली दे सेड इन द नेक्स्ट वीक और सो दोनों आगे के और पीछे के दरवाजे रिप्लेस करके मिल जाएगा. Thankfully, no one was hurt. It was a genuine mistake. It was because of oversight. वो ध्यान नहीं था. The watchman was not focused on his work. He was too busy on his phone. He realizes his mistake. अभी बाकी the building people are like हमारा लड़के झगड़ के डांट के किसी को कुछ बोल के फायदा है नहीं. We are just really happy that मोहित को कुछ नहीं हुआ because literally like you saw अगर वो opposite side पे था या नीचे बात ही नहीं करते. Let's not go there. All's good. Accidents happen. That's why insurance exists. Now we have to figure this out. But more importantly, आज पहला दिन होने वाला है for Ask Rushi. All the questions that you guys had on the previous video, मैं ये वीडियो में अभी आंसर करने वाला हूँ. अभी. Now the time. Ask Rushi. What's up and welcome to the first ever episode of Ask Rushi. This is going to happen every day. I'm going to have a small segment in every day's episode of Ask Krushi. So all you need to do is use the hashtag Ask Krushi. You can ask me a question and I'll answer it right here. I may not be answering all questions. मैं सारे के सारे आंसर नहीं कर पाऊंगा, नहीं तो रोज सिर्फ ये AMA बन जाएगा. I will pick the top questions and बाकी के मैं comments में ही reply कर दूंगा. So make sure Ask Krushi. Okay, let's get started. So first, if you don't make it to champs next year, will you lose the VCT Pacific spot? So Tech and Fitness asks, if you don't make it to champs next year, will you lose the VCT Pacific slot? No, we will not lose the VCT Pacific spot if we don't make it to champs. But that being said, for any team, since the renewal is happening next year for the 2027 to 2030 cycle, जब VCT शुरू हुआ था 4-4 साल के cycles में operate करने वाला था. So we are currently in the third year, season 3 of the first 4-year cycle. Next year, 2026 will be the 4th year and final year of the first 4-year cycle. And then there will be a new 4-year cycle. So for any team to get renewal, the best and most effective way to get that renewal is to make it to champs. If you are in the top 16 teams in the world in VCT, the chances of your partnership renewal are as good as done. That is the only sure shot way of renewal. Everything else is subjective, is based on Riot's other criteria. That doesn't mean जो teams champion नहीं पहुंचेंगे उनका renewal नहीं होगा. That just means जो teams championship नहीं पहुंचेंगे, they will have to be judged based on every other criteria except for performance because they were not in the top 16. The top 16 will go forward with the least amount of resistance. Everyone else will have to almost prove themselves again in every other category because they couldn't in the competitive side. So, long story short, if we don't make it to champs next year, we won't lose the VCT Pacific spot. But if we do make it to champs next year, that is the highest chances of us to renew our VCT Pacific slot, if that makes sense. Ask Rishi, do you think map pool for the final match was quite surprising? Honestly, the last few weeks, the map pools have been in our favor and फिर भी हम हारे हैं, which is why it has been more frustrating for the players and the coaching staff. तो it's like जो मैप्स हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं वही मैप्स आ रहे हैं, बट जो प्रैक्टिस में कर रहे हैं वो स्टेज पे नहीं कर रहे. That's a whole different story. मतलब 1.5-2 घंटे कोचेज एंड सपोर्ट स्टाफ एंड प्लेयर्स से बात करने के बाद एटलीस्ट कुछ चीज़ें तो समझ में आ गई ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स दैट दे फेस दैट वी कैन एड्रेस, व्हिच आई विश वी न्यू अबाउट अर्लियर. But it's difficult to kind of make those changes on the fly between the season, between everything that's happening, between matches, because कोई matches के लिए 2-3 दिन के gap होते हैं, कोई match के लिए 5-6 दिन की gap होती है. So it's very difficult to make macro adjustments in a short period of time. Micro adjustments we keep making, but now it's time for macro adjustments. Hashtag Ask Rushi, sir, how to speak confidently like you? I'm an introvert. I'll start with the most obvious advice. Fake it till you make it. Pretend like you are confident and speak. But more importantly, practice. Like practice makes perfect. Talk in front of the mirror, talk to the camera record karo. Like I remember the first few videos that I uploaded, I just recorded and I uploaded. I never even made them public. I was like, ठीक है मैं shoot करके edit करके upload कर देता हूँ, बाद में देखेंगे क्या होगा. So maybe that's something you can do. Just like record stuff and upload it, even if it's private and unlisted. Maybe share it with a few friends just to get their reaction. But at the end of the day, don't really care what other people think. I think वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. That is going to be a key to your confidence. Is not really being bothered by लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग क्या सोचेंगे. I think that's a very important life lesson, not just for confidence but in generally in life. कि लोग क्या बोलेंगे उससे क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है. Stop caring what people think, start caring what you think. So make sure that it is more important what you think matters. Draw that line for yourself कि मेरे लिए ये ज़रूरी है, this is what I feel. उसके बाद everything will seem like confidence. Is it possible to have a tour of the GE Bootcamp in Mumbai? Right now, guys, there is no GE Bootcamp Mumbai. There is our studio, which is like our guild house, our workspace, our office space. All the boot camps where players are staying, abhi Mumbai में नहीं है. Primary boot camp that we have right now is in Seoul, South Korea, where our VCT team is staying. हमारे academy roster के लिए we had put up a temporary boot camp, but that was only for a few weeks. We currently do not have any active boot camps in India. Our only active boot camp is in Seoul, South Korea for a VCT roster. वहाँ visit करना है तो we can make that. Hashtag Ask Rushi. What is the future of VCT now? Is the franchising contract over? I saw some tweets saying that franchising contracts were 2021 to 2026. No. The franchise contracts or the partnership contracts were 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026. This 4-year cycle and the next 4-year cycle के details आपको मिल जाएंगे. Well, technically the partnership contract VCT is in perpetuity. It's just that every 4 years the teams will go under a re-evaluation and refresh. Most of the teams will be renewed. Some of the teams Riot might decide to not renew or change the format in which it's happening. Last जब हमारा conversation हुआ, when I spoke to Leo, John, Anna, the entire team, all the people at APAC, Jake, David, सबने यही बताया कि probably by the end of the season we'll have a much better idea. So probably by Champions we'll have a much better idea of what the next 4-year cycle looks like. But till 2026 there are no changes to the existing format. I think what they're trying to do is be more open, be more inclusive, have more teams come in, maybe like an LCQ format, maybe some open qualifiers. I don't know. It's all an experimental phase, but probably by this champs we'll have a better idea कि वो कहाँ जा रहा है and what VCT is going to look like. As of right now, we are very much part of VCT. That's not changing unless Riot tells us. Then we will come and tell you. But जब तक वो नहीं बदलता है, ये नहीं बदलता. That's how franchise works. That's how partnership works. Like even if you think about it in IPL, imagine if every year in IPL जो teams हार रही है उनको निकाल देते और नई teams ले लेते. Wouldn't really be a franchise system, right? So that's the situation. It's very similar to that. The structure and how it operates will change for the 2027 to 2030 cycle, but there's no major overhauls yet. Champions के बाद देखेंगे अगर कुछ होगा. Ask Rishi, any plans about franchise league in BGMI? We spoke to Crafton. We saw the entire structure of how the BCL, that's BGMI Champions League, is, and sounded exciting. But as of right now, Global Esports may not choose to participate. As of right now, we are currently, like, our priorities and focus are currently elsewhere. We have a lot of things that we need to work on and fix before we can jump into another league. It's a great opportunity for some, not so great opportunity for others. So I think it really depends on what you are looking for as an owner, as a player, as a tournament organizer, as everything else. It's very subjective right now. It's more of a let's wait and watch. It's like asking IPL के पहले season के पहले अगर किसी को पूछते how big it's going to be, a few people would have said हाँ ये बड़ा हो सकता है, but it's not till it really happened and एक दो season हुआ कि पता चला क्या potential है. I think BCL is going to be similar. Till we don't see at least 1 or 2 seasons, we won't know how big it can be and what the structure is and how it might go, because it's the first of its kind here. So hopefully it does well, and all the best to the teams that are going to be participating. We'll try to be part of it in some way or another. It may not be as a team. I think that's in general going to be the direction for Global Esports. We will be part of the gaming and esports ecosystem. It just probably won't be as a team. That being said, I do have a lot more questions. Like, I'm just going through. There's like so many questions. I won't be able to answer all of them. I might take a few more in the next video, but बाकी सब मैं text में reply कर लूँगा. And अगले video and ये video में भी please make sure #AskRishi in the comments. Like I said, I could just do a segment of this every day and have like a 10-15 minute video just of Ask Rishi going out. Maybe this branches off into its own thing, but abhi ke liye this is part of VEDA. Day 5 has come to an end and I am really excited because 5 दिन हो गए हैं of me doing this. Day 6 is getting started. I have a calendar up there, so I kind of know now what my days are going to look like. As and when things start happening, I have started putting it in there. Kal is going to be really cool because I have a movie premiere. We're going for the movie screening of Weapons. The premiere of Weapons. It's a horror movie. I haven't seen a good horror for a long time. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. You guys are coming along. That's the advantage of VEDA. Whatever I'm doing, you guys get to come along. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो लाइक कर दो, शेयर कर दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो और कमेंट डाउन बिलो एंड लेट मी नो योर थॉट्स. आई विल सी यू टुमारो.